Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to apply a mirror effect in Photoshop. To apply a mirror effect and to teach you the mirror effect, I already imported an image with a glass. This glass is positioned on the table. I will make a reflection image of this glass onto the table. Let's do it. First of all, you need to select the glass as object, so that from the toolbar select this object selection tool. Let's drag over the glass. The glass is selected. Now from keyboard press Ctrl J to duplicate selected area. The selected area is duplicated and created a new layer in layer panel. Now press the Ctrl T from the keyboard, right click, flip vertical and move down the duplicated and flipped glass. I am positioning this glass at the very bottom of the original glass and make its opacity 60%. Okay, now I will apply a layer mask from here and select the brush tool and make sure the fill color is black, and from the size make sure the soft round button is selected and hardness is 0 and size 100 pixel, maybe little bigger on 75 pixel. Now I am drawing the black color with this brush and making the reflected effect. You see, there is a very nice and subtle glass reflected effect has been created. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.